It arises no longer on me. It's critical.
What you gotta do. I think you'd be able best to give them cover if someone tries to grab that flag. They're wide out in the open, so it's not gonna be easy.
Yeah, while you guys are running, guns up. Guns up. Ow! Ow! So we just respond instantly?
Yep.
No, my tailbone.
Distract them and you grab the flag.
Alright, you gonna distract and grab and now you want to grab flag?
Alright, hold on.
You're out, good, good. Freaking heck, Brandon's gonna come back, dude.
Go for the flag. You said you're gonna go for flag. Just go, run it. Do it. Run it. Come on. Come on. Robert, come on. Move up, move up.
I'm waiting for Brandon for his next run and then I'll go. Because then I don't need to worry about Brandon.
You good, you good. Just go for it. Who cares? Where are you guys at? Okay. This is what I'm gonna do.
Hey, you do that with him. I'm gonna protect your leg.
Hey, Johnny. I'm gonna distract them. I'm gonna wrap and distract them. You grab that white flag.
Alright.
Okay, come on.
Go, but you have to do it, Robert.
You ready? Oh, hey.
I'm gonna bump over.
Right there? Hey. Hide it behind another building.
No, it has to be in there.
Where?
Oh, it does? Yeah. You guys really need to fight for that red flag because
Yeah.
I got the other two. So.
Ready? I'm gonna move over here.
They're inside, they're inside, they're inside.
They're inside right here.
Oh, no.
Ah!
We can't pass the 50. How are we supposed to throw the flashbang? We can't pass the 50.
Dude, I keep slipping with these shoes. These things have no grip.
Go up with him. Go up with him. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go.
Out! Hey.
Go that side. Let me give
There's no more flags over there.
I know, but there's people over there. Wait till I get my pistol. Two flags! One person flag swing, the other one wins. Hey, watch out, there's one right here.
There's one inside.
It's right there in the middle.
I got nowhere.
Hey!
You better hurry because you guys both have one.
Alright. Hey, I need you guys in front of me. I have to throw this.
What, we going through here?
Go. Go. Huh?
Clear that room on the left.